All right, here we're solving by elimination, but if we add them just like they are, nothing's eliminated. We would have 5x plus 3y. So what we need to do is multiply by something so that the coefficients either on the x or on the y are opposites. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 3. That will get my x's to 6. So we'll distribute this. We'll get 6x, 3 times y is 3y. And then on the right side, 2 times 3 is 69. Now for the second equation, I can multiply by 2, but notice if I multiply just by a positive 2, my x's will be the same coefficient. 2 times 3x is 6x. So we want them to be opposite coefficients. So I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative 2. And that will cause my x coefficients to be opposites. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times 2y is negative 4y. And then 37 times negative 2 is negative 74. Now we're ready to add our equations together. Your x's are eliminated, so we get negative 1y, just negative y either way, equal to negative 5. To get rid of multiplying by a negative 1, divide by a negative 1. And so y is 5. Now to find x, we can go to any equation. I'm going to go back to the original top one, 2x plus y equals 23, and I'm going to replace the y with that 5 that we just came up with. From here, it's a two-step equation, subtract 5. So you get 2x equal to 18. To get rid of multiplying by 2, divide by 2. And so x is 9. Put it together as an ordered pair, x, then y. So you really can just kind of flip-flop coefficients. Take a coefficient from the second one, put it on, multiply the top one by that, and then take a coefficient from the top one, multiply the second equation by that. If you need to, make one of them negative. If both of them are the same signs to begin with, you'll have to make one of them negative when you multiply, so that you have opposite coefficients. So, same idea here. I'm going to multiply the top one by 3. Bottom one, well, we'll do that first. 3 times 4x is 12x. 3 times 3y is 9y. And then 8 times 3 is 24. For the second equation, we can multiply by 4, but if we do it by positive 4, our x's will have the same coefficients. So let's make that a negative 4. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. Negative 4 times negative 5y is positive 20y. Negative 4 times negative 23 is positive 92. Add the equations together, get 29y, the x's are eliminated, equal to 116. And then divide by 29. So y is 4. Now we'll take that value, plug it back in. You can go to either equation. I'll go with the top original. And we're going to replace the y with 4. Multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. Two-step equation from here, subtract 12. If 4x equals negative 4, to get rid of multiplying by 4, divide both sides by 4. Put it together as an ordered pair x and y. Now this time we do have opposite signs, so that makes our job a little bit easier. We'll multiply the top one by 6. And we'll multiply the bottom one by 4. So distributing on top, we get negative 24x. 6 times 6y gives us 36y. And then 20 times 6 is 120. Distributing our 4 times 6x is 24x. 4 times negative 9y is negative 36y. And then negative 30 times 4 is negative 120. Now when we add these together, our x's are eliminated, our y's are eliminated, so we write the 0 down. On the right side, 120 minus 120 is 0. So this is true. When your variables go in, it's true. Infinitely many solutions, or IMS for short. So these would be coinciding lines, lines right on top of each other. All right, here if we keep that same pattern, we'll multiply the top by 2. The bottom, if we just do positive 10, we'll end up with the same signs. We want opposite signs, so let's multiply the bottom one by negative 10. Distributing your 2 times 10x is 20x. 2 times 15y is 30y. 7 times 2 is 14. Distributing your negative 10 times 2x is negative 20x. Negative 10 times 3y is negative 30y. And then 3 times negative 10 is negative 30. Ready to add our equations together. 20x plus negative 20x is 0, it's eliminated. 30y plus negative 30y is 0, it's eliminated. If everything's eliminated, write the 0 down. 14 plus negative 30 is negative 16. 0 equal to negative 16 is false, so our answer is no solution, or you can write empty set. These would be parallel lines that never intersect.